Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today with this video I am going to start a series on computer fundamentals which are very helpful for different competitive exams. So if you are interested to learn computer basics, please subscribe my channel so that you don't miss my upcoming videos. In this channel, with this series, I will be discussing computer fundamentals theory, practical, and I will also discuss MCQs which are often asked in various examinations. So this video will be part 1 video of computer fundamentals theory. So let's see what topics we have today in this video. So the very first topic we have, what is a computer? Computer is an electronic device which accepts data from an user as an input, processes it according to the instruction given by the user and gives correct result. So it is an electronic device which first takes data and instruction from an user, and according to the instructions it acts on the data and gives us the result. So this is the definition of a computer. And then the next topic is origin of the word computer, from which word it has been taken. So the word computer has been originated from a Latin word computere, which means to calculate, or we can say to sum up. The next topic is what is the full form of computer. So the word computer stands for commonly operated machine, particularly used in technology, education and research. This is a very important question which are often asked in various competitive exams. So we should know this. So the next topic is what are the main parts of a computer. We know what are the parts of a computer. So the main parts are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Monitor is used to display the result on the screen. Then CPU is the main processing unit of our computer system which performs the processing on the data. Next is keyboard. Keyboard is used to type in data and instruction into the computer, and the mouse is used for selecting objects on the computer screen. The next is a diagram of a computer system where you can see various parts of a this is a monitor. We can say this is a monitor. This is monitor, then this is keyboard, then this is mouse, then it is a CPU. This part is CPU, this is keyboard, this is mouse, this is known as monitor, this is also known as PDU. We say PDU. The video full form is visual display unit. So the next topic we can see what are the components of a computer. So we will see now a computer system is composed of 4 components, that is first is input unit, the second is output unit, the third is processing unit and the last one is storage unit. First we will see input unit. What is an input unit? So input unit consists of all the input devices that we can attach to a computer systems. So we will see in detail one by one all the input devices. Next we will see what is an output unit. Output unit consists of all the output devices that we can attach to a computer system. So all the output devices put together and that has been named as an output unit. Then next we will see then what is called an input device. So all the input devices together put together in a unit, and that unit is known as input unit. Now what is input device? Input device is a device which we use to enter data and instruction into a computer system. That is known as input device. So we will see now the various examples of input device with the help of which we enter data and instruction into a computer system. The first example is keyboard. This is used for typing. This is used for type in text numbers into a computer system. Then this is mouse for pointing and selecting object on the computer screen. The scanner is another example of input device which is used for scanning both text and images, and then it is used for transferring it into the computer system. Then microphone is for taking audio input. Then trackball we use as an alternative for a mouse when we don't have any space for a mouse to keep in that case we can use a trackball so that we can keep on our lap and we can move it, we can use it like a mouse. Next one is barcode reader. Barcode is another example of input device which you use to read or scan the barcodes available in a product. and in that barcode we get the information in details about the product, the manufacturing date, the cost, expiry date, everything we get in the barcode. And that barcode, for reading that barcode, we use a special device that is known as barcode reader. Next is a light pen. Light pen is used for selecting object on the screen. It is used for drawing. And then digital camera. Digital camera is used for taking pictures and for taking videos, and after that we can transfer it to the computer system. The next is these are the various images of our input device. This is keyboard. Then this is mouse. Then this is another example of scanner. This is a trackball. This is a barcode reader. This is a microphone. Then this is a light pen. Next we will see what is called an output device. Like input device, output device is a device which we use to get the result or output from a computer system. So there are various examples of output device. First is monitor. Monitor is a computer screen where we can see the output or the result. Then the next one is a printer. Printer is used for, this is printer. Printer is used for getting the output or result in a paper form, that is known as hard copy. So the same output which we see on the monitor, we can take it out in a paper and with the help of a printer. So printer is also known as an output device. The next one is a speaker. Speaker is used for getting the audio output. Next, a plotter. Plotter is used to get the high quality pictures that the architects and engineers used for drawing their sketches and all. Then the next we see the various images of output devices. The first is monitor. The second is a printer. The third is a speaker, and then the last one is the plotter. So this much in this video. The remaining topics we will discuss in part wise. And bye bye and take care.